All right, y'all, I wanted to show y'all an after of my tail light lens. These are for the 73 Impala. So check them out. This is the after. They look really cool. I didn't get a video of before, but yeah, they were nasty. They had overspray, and yeah, this is how they look now. If y'all need them done, hit me up. I got a guy that can do them. I don't know the process, so I really can't explain to you, how, but I know that he did do candy red over them. He did tell me that. You can see the red on the paper. But yeah, so he cleaned them up, degreased them, sanded them down, and brought them back to life. And like I said, he did say that he had did candy red over them. So yeah, I'm very satisfied. They look really good. Can't wait to put them on.